So we're gonna go over a couple tips here for a heavy usage. You're gonna have a party come in, you're gonna have some family come over, some friends, where we're gonna kind of go over a couple little things here that'll make your life a little bit easier. So the number one thing is, let's say we're gonna have a party tomorrow or get together, we're gonna have a lot of people come over. So the day before, because you don't wanna be doing this the day of or right when you guys are gonna use it, because you have a lot of other things to deal with. So we're gonna do this the day before. So we're gonna come over, we're gonna make sure the hot tub is turned on and working. We're going to test the water. We're gonna make sure pH alkalinity is good, and then depending on what sanitation system we have, this one right now is running its ozone and salt. So I can see the ozone. I'll go in here, make sure the salt system's good. If you're not running an ozone or a salt, you can hit it with a cap or two of chlorine, depending on what your levels read. Or if you have a floater with bromine tablets, you can also make sure those are filled as well. Once everything on the water chemistry side is good, you can go around, you can wipe down the hot tub, you can wipe down the cover, make it look nice. It is totally discretion for you. You can clean the cabinet off and things like that. So when all that's all done, we can have our party. So now that our usage is done, we've had our party, we've had our get together or whatnot, your hot tub might look a little different. Hot tub might be a little cloudy. You might have a little bit of some bubbles and stuff, some foam. It's all over the place. So the number one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna test pH alkalinity. And then once everything is balanced there, we can go ahead and hit it with some shock. So regardless if we have ozone, if we have the salt system, if we have our bromine or chlorine, I would like to still hit it with a shock, a chlorine shock, just because it's going to be fast acting, it's going to be quick, and it's also going to kill everything that the increased amount of people were in there for. So I'd hit it with a cap or two of chlorine shock, and then I would turn the jets on. So on this one, it just has a clean cycle. I turn it on, just turns the jets on for 15 minutes, and then it'll automatically turn off. So after it's all done, that should be good to go for the next upcoming day. After a day or two after your get together, I would still test it again just to make sure we're within balance. Now, if it's just one or two of you guys, you shouldn't be perfectly fine. If you're having 10, 15 people in and out of the hot tub, then I would definitely kind of keep an eye on the next couple of days. You might have to adjust your salt system if you have one to a boost setting. If you have your tablets, your bromine tablets, you might have to put a couple more in the floater. Or if you have the ozone and strictly the ozone, I would, like I said, would recommend a chlorine shock. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that when it comes down to water chemistry, we do free water testing here at the store. You can always bring a water sample up in a little jar, a water bottle, or a little Ziploc bag, and we will do that free water testing for you and kind of help you out in aiding in your water chemistry, pool or hot tub.